What's up, it's Cheption Mutai here, and in this video I'm going to show you two ways that you can compress large file videos to a very small size using free open source softwares that you can download for free online. Stay tuned.
Are you looking for professional video production services? Request a free quote anywhere in the world on techtubestudio.com.
If you are new on this channel, like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also, take time to visit my website on cheption.com to learn more. Now, let's get right into today's video. Before we get started with today's video, I'd like to show you an example of a video I compressed from 12.5 GB to 3 gigabytes. 3.01 gigabytes, and I was using VLC, and the quality is still the same as original. So in this video I'm going to show you two examples or two ways that you can compress the video without losing the quality. The first way is using VLC Media Player. You can download this software for free online. Once you download and install on your computer, go to Media, then select Convert or Save. From here, you can add the file that you want to compress here and click Open. From here, click on Convert Save. On the new screen, choose the video preset that you'd like to use for the video. For this case here, we will choose video H264, but you can still choose YouTube HD video. Once you choose here, you can now you can still customize the settings according to your needs. As you can see here, you can change to MPEG or VLC, but the most common video format for videos that you are sharing online is MP4. In video codec, you can leave it at H264 for resolution. Have it similar to the source video. Then you can choose filters here. Then you come to audio codec. You can choose the one that you want, MP3, MPEG-4, but for this video, we will leave it at MPEG audio. Then if you have subtitles, you can click here, then choose the type or the codec for the subtitles if you have. Once you're done, click on Save. Then now you need to choose the destination of your video. Then you can, when you are ready, click on Start. Usually a video of say 10 minutes will take 20 minutes to convert to a small file, and if the video is 1 hour, you can spend 2 hours of time to convert that video, but it depends basically on the speed of your computer and the specs of your computer. Now, the second way that you can convert videos or compress videos to very small size without losing quality is using Handbrake. This is also a free software that you can download for free online. So once you download and install, open the software here. Then now from here, open source file. Then you can import the file that you would like to convert to, you'd like to compress here. From here, you can now choose other settings. I usually prefer production if you are sharing it. If you want to retain the quality of the video, just use a production proxy 1080p. Once you're done making all these changes, making sure that all this information is correctly in order, choose where you would like to save the video, then click on Start Encode, and your video will start encoding, and the quality will not change in any way. The quality will be same with the original, but the file now will be compressed by up to 70%. So that is how to compress videos for free without losing quality. And that is it from me here. I hope you found this video helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also take time to visit my website on cheption.com to learn more. Up until next time, bye bye and take care. My name is Cheption Mutai.